Hello friends, welcome to the introductory lecture of our foundation program 2022. So, as you know that 2022 prelims is almost 13 months or 14 months away, and this is perhaps the most ideal time to start your IAS preparation. So before we go into the nitty-gritties of the program, we should first, or let us first discuss the major problems which are faced by the aspirants in their initial phase of preparation. Because ultimately, when you start preparing for this exam, you are not very sure about many things. Which source to refer, how much or how many hours to study, where you need to focus more upon. So there are some certain issues, certain problems which are faced by an average aspirant during their initial phase of preparation, and then we will discuss how our foundation program will rectify or will try to solve all these problems. So these are the 10 major problems which is faced by an average aspirant. One is mental stress and isolation. People who are not in Delhi, people who are, in small cities who are doing online courses, they are isolated from the rest of the aspirant community. And secondly, people who start or who do full-time preparation of this exam, it takes a toll on your mental health, because you are staying in a small room 24, may say at least 10 hours you are in the room. You are not interacting with the other people, you are just focusing on your education, but you are seeing around that your friends, your classmates, all of them are having a good life. Somebody is in Paris, somebody is in New York, somebody is doing a very great job, and you are doing nothing, but you are inside a small room and just studying. All these makes you frustrated. So mental stress and isolation is one major problem which many aspirants face, because this exam is not the journey of this whole exam, it takes time. At least, even if you crack the exam in first attempt itself, it takes at least your 2 years. Why? Because the ideal time when an aspirant starts preparation is 1 year before the pre-exam. Now, 1 year is your initial phase of preparation. After that, you will give your prelims, then mains, and then interview. Finally, the whole process takes almost 1 more year. So, it takes 2 years for you to crack this exam, even when you attempt or when you crack the exam in the first attempt itself. But there are very few people who attempt or who crack the exam in the first attempt itself. So, therefore, for an average aspirant, it takes 4 or 5 years to crack this exam. Secondly, there is lack of peer-to-peer learning. That is also a major problem which is faced by an aspirant. Somebody who is in Shillong or probably Hyderabad or probably in Chhattisgarh, he is not interacting with the other aspirants. He does not know what is the routine of the other aspirants. How much time do they devote on a particular subject? So when you have just started preparation, there is a lot of scope that your direction or the direction that you have chosen might not be a right direction. You might be devoting a lot of hours on a topic which is not exactly relevant for the exam. So peer-to-peer learning is something which is also very much important, because you are confident, let's say, in economics, and the other aspirant is confident in history, or let's say in science. So he can make things easier for you in science, and you can make things easier for him in economics. So this way, both of you will save your time and both of you will learn something, right? Similarly, financial hardship, that is also a major problem, because if you want to come to Delhi, you need to take a room in ORN, and the minimum room that you can get in ORN is 10, 11,000, 11,000, 12,000, that is, and for a room which is very small. Then you will also need to join a mess or a tiffin where you will eat unhealthy food and you will get sick very frequently. Basically 20k a month is your average expense if you come to Delhi. Other than the coaching money that you will give. Now that also takes a lot of toll on you, on your family, because it's not easy, because you're not here only for, let's say, 3 months. You need to stay here till you crack any exam. So it could be 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. So for a lot of middle class people, a lot of middle class aspirants, it's a lot of money, and when they don't, and when they are not able to crack the exam, they feel very bad, they feel bad about their parents. So वो काफी ज़्यादा एक यहाँ पे frustration का element is there in this preparation. Similarly, lack of direction. Now that is also something which is a major problem for a lot of aspirants. I've seen one of my cousin, he was reading a newspaper, and in that newspaper he was reading about a news about a criminal killed in an encounter, and he was writing the name of the criminal who got killed. And then he said that and then I just asked him, why are you doing it? He said they might ask me this question in the prelims exam. Now this clearly highlights that how directionless many aspirants are during the initial phase, because they don't know, because many of them have taken guidance, or the initial guidance which they take it from their uncles or somebody else, and these uncles would have given the exam in 1980s, early 80s, 70s, when the pattern of this exam was very different. So what happens is that they get misguided, and then they waste their initial 6-7 months in making notes which are worthless, right? Next we have is reliance on X number of sources. ये बहुत problem create करता है, because especially for people who live in Delhi, etc. They go to a market, they find a new current affairs, and they say, it's looking good, so I'll read that also. So an aspirant will read X, Y, Z, A, B, C, all kinds of current affairs they will read, and all these current affairs are saying the same thing. But you are wasting your time by reading these 6 different sources, when even if you read one source, and if you can revise that thoroughly, that will definitely give you an edge over a strategy where you are reading 6 different sources and you are unable to revise any of them, right? Next we have is unfair practices by coaching centers. So they consider you as an ATM. They will take all these fees, and then uske baad kya hoga? You will be in a batch of 600 people. Teacher will come, say something, go back. You know nothing. I mean, you cannot talk with the teacher. You cannot really, ask for some value-added material, anything. Basically, once you've paid the money, then the coaching center feels कि now पैसा आ गया है, अब हमारा कोई मतलब नहीं है. So there are a lot of these institutes here in Delhi, and you need to be careful from them. Similarly, lack of answer writing, that is also a major problem, because ultimately, let's be very blunt, in order to clear the exam, you need to practice answer writing. Without that, whatever you study, you will not be able to write a good answer in 9 minutes. You get 8 to 9 minutes to write one answer in your UPSC exam. तो जाहिर सी बात है कि कोई चांस नहीं है कि आप जो है एग्जाम निकाल लोगे if you don't practice answer writing. But in the initial phase, aspirants feel that they feel inertia. They feel first I will read everything and then I will practice answer writing. तो वो बहुत late हो जाता है. Similarly, reading newspaper in a proper way. This is also a very difficult task, because what to read, what to avoid, what is relevant for this exam, that is also a major problem, and that is the reason why if you see the aspirants in their initial phase, they devote 4-5 hours every day in reading just one newspaper. Why? Because they read every news. What Amit Shah is doing, what Rahul Gandhi is doing, they will read everything. Even their political rallies. So that wastes a lot of your precious time, and then you are left with very less hours for other subjects, and that also leads to what? It increases your number of hours. But ultimately, in real sense, these number of hours will not be very productive, because you are not reading the right thing, you are not reading the right source, right? Then we have the poor time management. Now this is also something which is a major problem, because you're not motivated enough. You read for you, because as I've told you, it's a long process. It's not something कि आपने बोर्ड की तरह 2 महीने लास्ट में आपने नाइट आउट मारा एंड यू स्कोर 95%. ऐसा नहीं है यहाँ पे. You need to be dedicated, कछुए के तरह. You need to be patient, you need to be dedicated, and you need to be focused, and therefore there is lot of chances कि aspirants जो है वो 1 महीने बाद, 2 महीने बाद, the first month or the first second month or the first 2 months they focus very much, but post that they somehow lose their focus. So they need somebody to pump them up. Similarly, improper analysis. So whatever, if they are attempting the pre-test or the means test, analysis of that test, where they are going wrong, what kind of questions they are doing wrong, that is also a major problem faced by the aspirants. So उसके बाद test का कोई फायदा नहीं होता है. If you are not able to improve from the test, then there is no use of giving the test. Right? Because the main objective of you giving a test is that you give a test and then you analyze your attempt, and then you see and you identify the weak links, and then you work on those weak links, you rectify those weak links. Okay. Next we have is basically civil study. In 2018-19 we launched this initiative called Samanvay, under which we spoke to close to 9,000 aspirants, and on every aspirant we gave, let's say, 40 minutes. So we almost gave 65 hours in talking to you, and we tried to understand what are the major issues you are facing. And mostly we spoke to those aspirants who just started their preparation, and these are the answers that we got after this interaction. So these are the 7-8 things we got, or these aspirants revealed. So these things are: one, that you have doubts, you have a lot of doubts. Every day, every hour, every minute, you get a doubt when you prepare for this exam. And almost 70% of these doubts, they are mostly related to academics. 20% are related to, let's say, strategy, how to prepare, why to prepare, and 10% your life doubts, because again this journey is a lengthy journey, so you have hiccups, your personal, you have a number of hiccups in your personal life also during this journey. So uske liye bhi you need support from somebody, right? Similarly, you want a timetable which is according to your schedule, according to your learning curve. You see, if there are X, Y, Z aspirants, all of them are different. Let's understand this through a diagram. Let's say there are 3 aspirants, X, Y, Z. Now X is smart in economics. He is from economics background, let's say. Y is mediocre, and for Z, economics is a nightmare. Now, basically, when you join any coaching center, a teacher will come, he will teach you, and he will go. Now, he will not give special focus to that person जिसके लिए economics nightmare है. And basically, the timetable which is made in these coaching centers, it is universal for everyone, which is we will cover economics in 3 weeks. Now, every aspirant, the learning curve is different. For this person, he can prepare, or he can read, or he can understand economics in just 2 weeks itself. He can do it in 3 weeks, and he can do it in 4 weeks, right? So basically you need a different timetable for everyone, all the 3 category of aspirants. So basically, when we interacted with the aspirants, we found that based on their learning curve, every aspirant want a tailored timetable for them, right? Similarly, you basically or majority of the aspirants want कि जो news है और जो static concepts है, they should be tied together. ठीक है? Similarly, even if you are studying in isolation, you want frequent boosters from somebody who has a great experience about this exam. We call them mentors. Because if you are studying in isolation, if you don't get these frequent boosters, morale boosters, then somehow your frustration level increases, right? And also you want an experienced mentor to actually tell you that whether you are on a right track or not, right? Also, you want a community of like-minded people who are at your level. Let's say, you want a group of people, you want a group of aspirants who are at your level, who understand your problem, who can help you in a particular subject and you can help them in a particular subject, who can understand your mental situation because they are also undergoing or they are also going through the same situation. You want a group of aspirants because see, when you're preparing for this exam, your close friends cannot understand your mental setup because they are not burning midnight oil like you. You are doing it. Only person who can understand you is the other serious aspirant, who is also doing the same thing. So, this exam you need this kind of peer support also, and that is also when we interacted with the aspirants, they told us this thing. Similarly, you love active learning which is active, and also you love active doubt resolution. These are the major answers that we got after talking to the aspirants, and based on that, we launched our foundation program because we wanted our foundation program to be closely aligned to whatever evidence that we got from this Samanvaya which we did for almost 6 months. Right? So our foundation program inculcates the best of what we have learned about you. ठीक है? So basically, if we talk of our foundation program, it has two main pillars. One is UAP, another is masterclass. So when we talk of UAP is about testing you in various fields. The other is masterclass. Masterclass is the video lectures which we upload for all the subjects of UPSC exam. अब अगर हम UAP की बात करें, so UAP में there are various tests involved. One is the prelims focus test. अब as you know that CD की एक reputation है कि CD कुछ भी करता है तो it does not do it just like कि बस मन में आया और कर लिया. We do a thorough analysis of previous year papers. We do a thorough analysis of previous year trends, and we have this objective कि our questions should benefit the aspirants. Our questions should be as close to the UPSC format. Our question should improve the Tigram capabilities or the intelligent guessing capabilities of an aspirant. So based on that, we frame our questions in the prelims test series. So under the UAP program, there will be 36 prelims tests, and in every test there will be 15 to 20 questions which are made or which have Tigram application. The basic idea is that by the time you attempt these 36 tests, your Tigram level or your application level जो है जो intelligent guessing के जो technique होगी, that will be sharpened. ठीक है? Similarly, For prelims, we also have Decimate Prelims program, which will be a crash course program launched 4 months before the prelims exam. And under this, we will provide you current affairs or prelim specific current affairs notes of last 1 to 2 years. Similarly, there will be discussion, there will be video lectures. Basic idea will be whatever you have read in last 1 year, you need to now revise each and everything, right? So this Decimate program is also a big hit. Similarly, the next focus of UAP program will be on current affairs, and for that Samachar Manthan program will be provided to you. And Samachar Manthan program, as you know, is a very hit program, and this year's mains exam, almost every question came from Samachar Manthan, because Samachar Manthan, we don't just give you a notes of one newspaper. We give you notes of 5-6 different newspapers, journals, magazines, down to earth, and it's a 4-way process. So in this program, we start with lectures. We give you 3 to 4 hours lecture once in a week. After that, you watch these lectures, then the PDF will become very easy. Once you read the PDF, then you attempt the test, weekly test. Weekly test there are 10 questions asked from the current affairs discussed from that week. After that, once you have attempted the test, there will be a review, and then after the review, you can talk with your mentor. What are the areas I am struggling? How to improve my performance? So this is a very, very good course. Then you have, so once you enroll in Samachar Manthan, you don't need to study anything for current affairs. Then you have the mains focus. So for mains focus, we have the mains test series, which has 24 tests, 12 sectional, 12 FLT. So initial test will be, it will be at a basic level, and with time, the level of test will improve. It will become more difficult. And also, again, in the mains test series, the model answers that we provide to you, that has a specific color coding. So there will be some points highlighted with red. These are the essential points. If you don't include these points, you will lose marks. And then you have the green. You have the green marking for those points which are innovative points, which can get you or fetch you that extra 1 marks. So that is how we do. Similarly, the questions are framed according to the UPSC format, and again we use the philosophy of evidence-based question making. And this year's mains exam, almost 80% questions, and in GS paper 2, almost 100% questions were asked either from our mains test series or from our Samachar Manthan course. Similarly, we have essay test series, which is also part of this program. So there will be 14 tests, 7 sectional and 7 FLTs. So this is part of the UAP component of the foundation course. Second is the master class. So here we have a very great faculty. We have a very good faculty for each and every subject, and the basic idea of these lectures is to tell you very complex concepts in a storytelling format. It's not like कि आप आए और आपने book से read किया और चले गए. Here in CD, in our lectures, what we try to do is that we try to explain things through an example, and in the description you will see some of our sample lectures that how different our lecture or how different our teaching pedagogy is compared to, let's say, other institutes, because we believe in simplifying things for you. We don't believe in muggifying things. We through our lectures, our intention is that when you read the notes become very easier to you, because all the storytelling element will be the part of our lectures. We call them hooks. So therefore, the lectures, after watching these lectures, will provide you lectures on the following subjects. After watching these lectures, when you read notes, when you read newspaper, things will be cakewalk for you. Also, we'll provide you notes and PPTs on the above topics or above subjects. Now, what are the two major differentiators of our foundation program? By testing or lectures to almost every institute gives. Even though our quality is better, but it's not the deciding factor. The major differentiators of CD's foundation program is 1. DDS, 2. Mentorship. Now, what exactly is DDS? So, daily doubt resolution. So, suppose you are reading, let's say, polity, and you are unable to understand a word. Let's say the word is principle of subsidiarity. Now, what you need to do is that, let's say you Google it, and still you're not able to understand it because it is written in a very technical language. So, every student will be assigned a mentor, and every mentor will have a dedicated group on Habitat, our learning platform. And if you don't understand, if you're not able to understand anything, or if you are having any doubt, you can just raise your doubt there, DDS पे डालो, and the mentor will respond to you as soon as possible. So this is an example of active learning. I can show you through this screenshot. Now, somebody has asked a doubt on quorum. The mentor has responded. Similarly, somebody has asked about something in Yojana, and the mentor has responded. Similarly, somebody has asked a question or a doubt on economics, and let's say the mentor has explained the doubt in a very easy language. This is how DDS works. Second most important component, and I would say not second most, perhaps the most important component of our foundation program is Samanvay, or one-to-one personalized mentorship. So to understand our mentorship program, you need to think about Google Map. What does Google Map do to you? Google Map tells you the way, or it tells you a route to a particular destination. And suppose you take a wrong turn. So what will it do? It will reroute for you. So ultimately, you will reach your destination sooner or later. This is the work of Google Map. Now, our mentorship program is also like this Google Map. We create small loops for you, testing and learning, and we ensure that you are on a right track. And suppose there is a problem in your family. Let's say your father got sick and you are unable to study for 2-3 weeks. Now the mentor will reroute you so that your preparation does not suffer, and even with less time you are able to crack the exam. So how does this mentorship program work? Let us understand step by step. So once you get enrolled, within 24 hours, a mentor is assigned to you. So you need to fill a mentorship form. The mentorship form will ask you different kind of questions. Are you a working professional? Are you a full-time aspirant? How many attempts have you given? What is your optional, etc., etc. And after that, you will be assigned your personal mentor, and the personal mentor will reach out to you within 24 hours. And all these mentors are very experienced people. They have given multiple interviews, and they are the people they are the best gurus that you will find around, because they are experienced. They know what mistakes they have done. Because of that, they have just missed the exam by a whisker. And all these learnings they will share with you, so that from day one itself you are on a right track. So after that, after you are assigned a mentor, the mentorship reaches to you, or the mentor reaches out to you. After that, he will prepare a 15-day timetable for you, customized timetable according to your level, according to your interest, according to your understanding. And after that, after these 15 days, you have to follow this timetable, and then you have to give test according to the schedule. Once you are done with the test, you can reach out to your mentor for post-test discussion. Before that also, you can reach out to mentor at any time, you can ping him on Habitat. So also, once you enroll in this program, you will be you will become part of a dedicated Habitat group, which will be run by your mentor. Okay? So if you have any doubt, you can reach out to your mentor on Habitat. Also, there will be other students who will be part of that group. So you can also engage with other students. Let's say there are 30 people in a group, right? And let's say 5 of them have history optional. So all these 5 aspirants, all the other 5 aspirants who have history optional, you can make a separate subgroup, and then you can discuss or you can, prepare your history optionals simultaneously, right? So this is the benefit of you being part of the Habitat group run by your mentor. Okay. Similarly, under this program, there will be a 15-day bi-weekly call with your mentor. That will be a scheduled mandatory call, and in that you will discuss your status of your preparation, and also if you have given any test, then the test will also be discussed in that mentorship call. अब इस mentorship call में mentor जो है आपको nudge करेगा. He will tell you your weak links. He will tell you how you need to change your strategy, what improvements you need to make, what are the areas you need to focus upon. Everything will be discussed in this call. So basic idea will be that from day one itself, you will be completely on a right track. You will not be misguided. You will not be reading multiple sources. You will only be reading whatever the mentor will tell you. Okay. Similarly, mentors will use all their experience, because they have given so many years in this exam. So they will use all their experience to ensure that your performance is improving, because under this program we also give you monthly report card, which will indicate your level of progress over the course of time. Let's say in June you were at this level, in July your marks improved to this much level, August this much level. So you will have a track of yourself. You will know कि भाई exactly मैंने जब शुरू किया था मैं यहाँ पे था, अब मैं यहाँ पे आ गया हूँ, मेरा ये चीज खत्म हो गई, ये चीज मेरी बची हुई है. Everything will be done objectively. Complete objectivity will be maintained. ठीक है ना? Similarly, we will keep a repository of your test, of your scores, of the mentorship interventions, of how these mentorship interventions helped, and also every month or every few months there will be a mentorship feedback form which you will need to fill, in which you will tell how your mentor is helping you. Are you facing any issue from the mentor's side? And these feedback forms are released in order to ensure that our services will be at top level, and whatever issues or whatever deficiencies which are there in our mentorship program, that will be rectified. So we are not like those people कि हमने बनाया सब कुछ अच्छा ही होगा. Every program has certain deficiencies, and we are always willing to take your feedback to improve ourselves, to improve our program. ठीक है? तो ये exactly जो है, this will be the part of, or this will be the key feature of our mentorship program. One thing I need to be very clear, that you need to give these tests, because without the test, the mentor will only be able to help you up to a very small level. If you want to crack the exam, definitely you will have to attempt these tests frequently. Now, final comparison of series foundation program and other foundation program. So first is, if we talk of series foundation program, so video lecture is there in other online programs also, and in series program also we have our master class, even though, as I've told you, our master class is much superior to whatever online options that you are getting. Similarly, use of innovations in lecture. So we use a lot of components of storytelling in our lectures, which is not used in many other institutes. Next is mentorship. Now, again, this is our X factor. We have one-to-one personalized mentorship with personalized timetable, which I don't believe other institutes give. Similarly, peer-to-peer learning, we have Habitat platform for that, where students will learn from other students, and students will share their knowledge with the other students, which is not there in other online options, even offline options also. Then prelims test series. So we use a lot of theorems. As you can know, the level of prelims exam has changed over the years, and now only with knowledge you cannot crack the prelims test series. You cannot crack the prelims phase of the exam. So along with knowledge, you need question solving ability, and for that you need to master the art of use of theorems, which we will do both in our prelims test series and in our Decimate prelims program. Now in other test series, in other institutes, you'll get these normal questions. Similarly, mains test series, we make evidence based question making, and we have a 80% alignment rate with the actual UPSC exam. Other mains test series you'll get normal questions which will be based on their whims and fancies. Similarly, current affairs, again Samachar Manthan, success rate of 80%. In other institutes, you will not get a dedicated focus on current affairs. Similarly, essay, we will give you essay, other institutes also give you essay. Prelims crash course, they will be a complete 4-month course, Decimate prelims, with focus on peer-to-peer learning for better revision, better retention. It's not there in the other institutes. So this is how the series foundation program is superior to the other programs. In the description, you will also find Quora reviews, what our existing students think about series mentorship program. And also, if you have just started preparation, if you have any doubts related to preparation, you fill our Samanvay form, which will be there in description, and it will be a completely free mentorship. Our experienced mentor will reach out to you. So this is all we have in today's session. Thank you.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Civils Daily.